In today's class, we'll focus on shading realistic water drops with smooth blending, highlights and reflections to make them look 3D. First, start by marking the highlight area. This is very important because highlights give the shiny look to the water drop. Now begin shading the top water drop. Start from the lower edge and use a medium shade. Then take a blending stump or a stencil and smudge smoothly. Blend lightly across the entire drop surface to create a soft base. Now you can add a few dark edges and smudge them gently to maintain smoothness. Slowly start building darker tones layer by layer. Remember, do not press too hard and build shading gradually. The whole drop depends on controlled pencil shading and smooth blending. Now you can add few darker tones on top side edge and also add darker tones at the bottom edge. This creates depth and gives a transparent water effect. And always observe highlights and leave those areas untouched. That's what makes it look realistic. Now move to the shadow of the water drop. Shade the bottom shadow. Cast the shadow under the water drop, and this reflection shadow is very important. Make it darker near the drop and lighter as it moves away. You have to blend it smoothly and see to it that you leave some small highlight in the center of the shadow. This shows light reflection on the surface. Smudge well and adjust the bottom edge darkness if needed. Use an eraser and gently dab to create small white highlights inside the drop. Now let's move to the bottom water drop and firstly mark the highlight areas clearly. Also mark a small highlight at the bottom as well. So lightly outline the drop shape, and now we can start shading from the upper part of the water drop. Use very gentle and light strokes. Blend smoothly using a stencil or a stump across the entire surface. Now slowly add the darker edges around the drop and make sure to leave the highlight areas. Smudge smoothly with a stencil properly. Blend smoothly to keep the shading soft. Next, shade the bottom edge darker and leave a few highlight areas in the middle. Now you can add the shadow below the water drop and blend it smoothly. Make sure to show the transparent reflection of the water drop in the shadow and leave that area slightly white. Adjust the tones if needed and your water drop is done. Practice slowly and focus on smooth blending and light control. So in the next class we will continue exploring more advanced techniques. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.